Hello, Namaste. Join me as I tackle the tricky CBSE Grade 12 IP question 5 on DBMS, and if I can crack the answer. Did you know that understanding database can significantly enhance your programming skills? Let's dive into the essential question from CBSE Grade 12 IP exam. Okay, this is recorded for the student of session 2024. My name is Tesu Gaurav Singh, and question paper is taken from 2021 question paper CBSE Grade 12, subject informatics practices, subject code is 065. Okay, we will outline the specific questions and its requirements to understand what needs to be addressed. We will break down the concepts involved in the question, explaining key terms and principles related to DBMS. Here you will see the actual solution to the question, including step-by-step reasoning and calculation if applicable. To wrap up, we will summarize the key points discussed and emphasize the importance of mastering this concept for your exam. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more exam tips and solutions, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Now, this is question number 5 from CBSE exam 2021. Consider the following table transporter that stores the order details about items to be transported. Write SQL commands for the statements 1 to 8 and write output for SQL queries 9 and 10. So this is 10 mark question. Okay, asked in 2021. So basically CBSE asks very simple question. If you will go for the practical approach, definitely you will solve the answer. And here I take challenge to solve any of the question. If you have any question, please write in the comment box. I will solve that answer and make a video on your comment. Okay, so here is table transporter, and we have 6 columns called order number, driver name, driver grade, item, travel date and destination, and these are the details. Okay, and these are the question asked related to that table. So first create related to that table in SQL. Okay, so for that first create table. Okay, for so first write select star from transporter. Okay, this will show me all the details of the table transporter. So this is my table transporter. Okay, just like in your question. Okay, and here we have Ram Yadav, Somnath Singh, Mohan Verma, okay, Rishi Singh, Radhe Mohan, Bhishan Pratap and Ram. So this is my table. Okay, now clear screen and go to the first question. Our first question is to display name of driver and destination city where television is being transported. So we have to search the name of drivers. We have to search the driver name, okay, where television has been transported. So transported is television is transported in first and that one. Okay, so for Ram Yadav and for Radhe Mohan. So we have to display the name of drivers and destination city. We have to display the driver name and destination city where television is being transported. So what should be the SQL command? Okay, for that select driver name, destination from transporter where item equals to television. Very simple answer. Okay, so it will show me Ram Yadav, Radhe Mohan and Ram. Okay, at last also television is transported. So television is transported in 3 places. Okay, television and television, Ram Yadav, Radhe Mohan, and for Ram city name is Mumbai, Udaipur and Pune. City name is Mumbai, Udaipur and Pune. So these are the correct answer. Okay, now come to the second question. Our second question is to display driver name and destination where destination is not Mumbai. Okay, to see that where destination is not Mumbai, select driver name comma destination from transporter where destination is not equals to Mumbai, where transporter is where destination is not equals to Mumbai. Okay, so this will show me the names of driver, destination and destination whose destination is not equals to Mumbai. Okay, now come to the next question. Our next question is question number 3. To display the names of destination cities where items are being transported, there should be no duplicate. So we have to display the names of destination city. Okay, to display the name of destination city, we have to write just select destination from transporter. Okay, to make it unique value, we can use distinct operator, distinct function. Okay, so come to the next, select distinct destination from transporter. For writing destination only, we will write select destination from transporter. Question is asked for no duplication, so here we are writing only distinct. Okay, so distinct is used to remove the duplicate value. Okay, to remove the duplicate value we use distinct function over here. Okay, so press enter and we can see the name of cities without duplicate values. Okay, and these are the names of cities without duplicate values. So total names of cities and destination cities are Lucknow, Mumbai, Pune and Udaipur. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 4. To display the details of rows that have some value in driver grade column. Okay, to display the details of rows that have some value in driver grade column means the value with driver get value with null value should not be displayed. So only 1, 2, 3, 4 value should be displayed, and 1, 2 and 3. Okay, including null value will not be displayed. Okay, so null value should not be displayed. Without null value we have to write the display details of rows. We have to show all the details of rows. Okay, so details of Ram, Radhe Mohan, details of Ram, Radhe Mohan and Somnath Singh should not be displayed. Okay, details of Ram, Radhe Mohan and Somnath should not be displayed. Okay, so without null value we have to display all the details including not including null value in their driver grade name. Okay, so for that we can write query select star from transporter where driver grade is not null. Okay, so press enter and we can see it is showing me all the details and Ram, Radhe Mohan are not displayed over there. Okay, so it is displaying me 1, 2, 3 and last one 4 records only, last 4 records only. Okay, and we cannot see remaining 3 records. So this is exact answer to that question. Okay, our next question is, come to the next question. Question number 5. To display the names of driver, names of items and travel dates for those items that are being transported on or before 1st April 2019. So we have to display the names of driver, names of item and travel date. Okay, before 1st April 2019. Okay, so select driver name comma item travel date from transporter table where travel date is greater than 1st April 2019. Okay, so these are the details of driver. This is driver name, this is item name and this is travel date before 1st April 2019. Okay, so CBSE will ask very simple question. Okay, so don't bother about that, only go to the practical approach, you will be able to answer all the questions. Okay, table is not defined, absolutely not defined, you must be clear with the concept. Okay, if you will go to the practical approach, you will be able to answer all the questions. Okay, so our next question is to display the number of drivers who have Mohan anywhere in their names. Okay, this is question of wildcard or pattern matching. Okay, so this is for that we can use like operator. Okay, for that we will use like operator, like Mohan. Okay, so select count, we have to count total number of driver name. Okay, select count driver name from transporter where driver name like Mohan, Mohan percent. So why we have written percent at beginning and percent at last? It means that question has asked that it should include Mohan anywhere. Okay, so percent means before Mohan any number of character and any character can come, and after percent means after Mohan any number of character and any character can come. Okay, so for that I have used percent two times, at beginning and at the end also. Okay, now total numbers are 2 which include the name Mohan. Okay, if we will see the table, okay, if we can see the table, here we have with the name Mohan has two name, Mohan Verma and second is Radhe Mohan. Okay, so here we have two tables. Okay, now come to the next question. Okay, we will solve very thoroughly, questions are very easy. Okay, next question is to display the names of drivers, item name and travel date in alphabetic ascending order of the driver name. So according to the driver name we have to arrange the table. So we will use order by class and we have to order by class on the driver name. It should be arranged according to the driver name. And what column we should display? We should display the names of driver, item name and travel date. So we will use select driver name, okay, item from comma date from transporter, order by driver name. Okay, let's go to practical approach. Select driver name, item, travel date from transporter, order by driver name. Okay, so here we can see the detail which are arranged according to the driver name. Okay, B, then M, then R, then R, then R, then R, then at last it is S. Okay, so it is arranged in ascending order according to the driver name. Okay, come to the next question. To display names of driver whose name are 3 character long. It is again question of wildcard pattern matching. Okay, so here I will use like operator. So like inside single quotation we will write 3 underscore symbol. Okay, like 3 underscore symbol, it should include 3 characters, so we will use underscore 3 times. We will use underscore 3 times. Okay, so select driver name from transporter where driver name like I have used underscore 3 times, like underscore 3 times inside included inside single quotation. Okay, and after that I am using semicolon. Okay, so this is name of driver which has exactly 3 characters in his name. Okay, come to the next question. Select item comma count stick. Now we have to just execute that 2 queries. Okay, select item comma count stick from transporter group by item having count stick is greater than 1. Okay, so this is question of group by. Okay, so what is the rule of group by clause? I frequently say that rule in each video, that whatever column is used in select clause that must be there with the group by clause. Okay, and group by function is group by clause is used for the group functions. We cannot use group function with where clause, so we can use having clause. So we have to use having clause with group functions. Okay, so query is correct. Okay, now execute the code. Select item comma count asterisk from transporter group by item having count asterisk greater than 1. Okay, having count asterisk greater than 1. Just try to see the output. Okay, what will be the output? Okay, and it is select item count asterisk from transporter group by item having count asterisk is greater than 1. That is television. Television has counted 3 times. Okay, so if you will count television, it is 3 times, that is greater than 1. No other item is greater than 1. No other item is repeated in question. If you will see on the table, okay, no item is repeated other than television. Okay, so only television has repeated 3 times, so it is writing television as 3 times. Okay, come to next question. Select max travel date from transporter where travel grade equals to A. Okay, so we have to find the maximum travel date. Okay, means current travel date from the driver grade A. Okay, so just write the query. We just have to execute the query. Okay, first clear the screen. Select max travel date from transporter where driver grade equals to A. Okay, 19th April 1919. Okay, so where driver grade equals to A is 19th April 1919. Okay, 19th April 1919, that is greater equals to A. So that is recent. Okay, if you will see another, it is 7 April 1919. Okay, so in both of them, that one is greater one. Okay, so it is showing me 19th April 1919. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to write your queries on comment. If you will write your any kind of question from CBSE or sample question paper or any question related to database or Python, I will explain thoroughly practically in practical approach, so that you can understand it very easily. Okay, so if you have any doubt, any question, don't forget to write on the comment box. I will solve the question. Okay, thank you.